Hey party people. Alright, I didn't expect to love these, but these 3 pocket-sized tech items turn me into the guy that solves problems before they even start. Need to dust your PC, light up a tent, or charge your dying phone during a grocery run? Yeah, I got you. Let's get into it. First up is the compressed air blower that might look like a tiny hairdryer, but this little beast rips. You want to feel like a domestic superhero? Blast out months of regret from your air vents like it's no big deal? Cleaning your patio or front steps without a broom? Peak suburban ninja energy. For the nerds, yes, this thing obliterates dust from keyboards and inside your PC, and unlike those canned air canisters, you won't be killing the planet or freezing your fingers off. It also dries wet dogs, clears snow from your car, and inflates pool toys. Basically, it's a tiny wind god that lives in your junk drawer. Now this is for the campers, the travelers, and anyone who's ever been scared of the dark in a Holiday Inn parking lot. The Nestout power bank is rugged, waterproof, and modular. Yes, modular. It connects with accessories like this lantern top. And the lantern top also comes with a little tripod, so you can stand this up in a tent or on a picnic table. Now you've got light and juice for your phone. It's like a Swiss Army knife of power banks, but way more handsome. 5,000 milliamp hours of power, USB-C fast charging, and it actually looks cool on your desk or in your tent. It's rugged and practical without those tactical cosplay vibes. And finally, the Rolling Square TAU2. This thing is smaller than the case on my noise-canceling earbuds, the Sony WF-1000 XM5s. And somehow, it still charges your phone in a pinch. It lives on your keychain, magnetically docks to charge, and has built-in cables. Lightning for those older iPhones, as well as micro USB on the same cord for those older devices. And then you have a USB-C cord on the other side. In short, this is the emergency charger that actually fits your life and fits your pockets. You're 3% away from doom in a parking garage? Boom. You're on a date and your phone dies before the Uber gets there? Boom. This thing saves reputations. Oh, and it has a lost mode, so if it gets dropped, someone can scan this QR code and find you. Basically, this tiny little keychain charger has a LinkedIn profile. So there you go. 3 palm-sized problem solvers. The air blaster that makes you feel like a wizard. The outdoor power station that lights up the woods or your backyard. And the tiny keychain charger that's one step away from being a secret agent tool. Links are below if you want to check any of them out. If you dig clever tech and practical minimalism, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews that actually help you live lighter. And also, I just wanted to mention that I've actually started to release some merch, and there's a link in the description below if you want to check it out. I have a hat, a hoodie, a t-shirt, a coffee mug, a notebook, and some stickers, and I made all the designs myself. So it's kind of my decluttering mantra: keep, gift, donate, sell. When I look at items in my house, I choose one of those things, and that lets me know how I feel about an item and what I should do with it. I keep it if it's something that adds to my daily life and that I use regularly. I gift it if I think someone else could do the same with that item themselves. I donate it if it's something that someone could use, like a backpack for school children in need or anything like that. And then anything left over, I'll just try to sell and recoup a little bit of the money that I spent on collecting some of this gear. If you like those designs and you want to see more of them, leave a comment below and let me know. And I'm going to have some samples coming within the next week or two so that I can showcase them on camera as well so you can see the quality of the materials. Thank you as always for watching. And with all that being said, I will definitely see you in the next video. Take care.